I need you to hear this and hear it fucking good. You are nobody's backup plan. Say that with me. I am nobody's fucking backup plan. I am not an option in your life. If you are not going to make me a priority, you don't get any of my time. You don't get any of my attention. You don't get any of my love, and you damn sure don't get any of my worry. It is time. It is time for you to start seeing how fucking amazing you are, how worthy you are of love, of respect, of appreciation, of becoming a priority. If they aren't going to make you a priority, then they become a non-priority to you, because you deserve that. And if the person in your life is not making you that priority, it is time for you to ask them kindly to remove their shoes and socks and kick fucking rocks down the road.